Hello, doctor. Myself, Dr. Sadanand Thote from Saket Ortho Rehab, Nagpur. Doctor, as you know, feet are the foundation of the body. If there is a wrong weight bearing on the feet, it may cause so many problems. As you see, there are the three different positions of the feet. Normal feet, then pronated feet, not only flat feet. It's a pronated feet, weight goes on the medial border and it may cause the knock knee also. Then supinated feet, where weight goes on the lateral border of the feet. It may cause bow leg. By aligning the feet, we make the body align in proper way. You can see due to the wrong weight bearing, there is a total imbalance of the body that may cause so many problems like neck pain, thoracic pain, back pain, hip pain, knee pain, ankle pain, heel pain, and so on. Foot scan is the main tool. By doing the foot scan, doctor, you can get the idea how the weight goes on the feet. And by studying the foot scan, we provide the appropriate insole and do the necessary modification in the footwear. In Nagpur, Saket had foot scan. You can refer your patients for the foot scan in orthopedic as well as diabetic condition. But foot scan is not available in many cities. So Saket has the another tool. By using that tool, doctor, you can get the perfect impression of the patient's feet, and by getting that impression box, Saket make the proper insoles and the modification the footwear. I like to show you that impression box. This is made from the cracking foam. So on this, if you make the patient stands, due to body weight, foot goes inside and we get the proper impression. Now I like to show you the how to take the measurement. Ask the patient to sit on the high chair and just put the impression box on the ground and ask the patient to stand on this impression box. Now just take the weight on the hand and just stand. Now keep your hands here and just again stand. Second, again, just sit, take the support and sit and just lift your feet. Doctor, now you can very well see how the impression we get. By sending this impression box back to Saket, we make the mold on this impression box, and on that mold we make the appropriate insoles as well as modification in the footwear. By using this modified insoles and the footwear, patients get lot of relief. And particularly in the diabetic condition, if there is a ulcer, so by using this impression box, we make the offload insoles as well as footwear. Only insoles never helps, because in male also, if we give the insole, they use only in the shoes. But this patient, they must use all the time. So for the home or outside, they must use the modified footwear. So please help your patient to get the relief and use the impression box and support your patient. Thank you, doctor.